It's 12:39, and my walk has come to an end today. The fire department here on Fire Tower Road is about 50 yards in front of me. I've got you can't see it through the trees, but it's just beyond that tree line. Today was a phenomenal walk. Again, dedicated to the bombing victims of the Boston Marathon bombing. The outpour support from the people here in Cartersville was just amazing. Off the charts, just remarkable. The people I met today, their patriotism shined incredibly bright today. So my heart goes out to all those folks in Cartersville that I met, and the entire town, the mayor I had the honor of meeting, the fire department, just everybody. You all have a very special place in my heart. Well, my walk will stop for today. I'll go back to Cartersville and stay in a motel that was sponsored for me tonight and tomorrow night. And then Monday morning, my walk will re-begin from this point. So thank you all for your support. Thank you for your kindness. Thank you for keeping me in your prayers. I love each and every one of you. As to my baby girl, as always, mwah, Dad loves you very much. Until Monday morning, Semper Fi.